Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Timothy, and on this channel we speak everything personal finance. When I say everything, I mean everything. In today's video, we are going to be talking about how to open a Roth IRA, how to start a Roth IRA. If you don't have one, you will learn today how to open a Roth IRA. So I want to tell you what a Roth IRA is. It is an account where you contribute after-tax dollars. So the money grows tax-free, and then you take the money out tax-free. So this is a retirement account that you will be able to pull out tax-free once you're 59.5 years old. This video is not only for beginners, but it's for people that are investing in Roth. And you can see to make sure that you're doing it right, and make sure the money you're putting in is going where you want it to go. So I'll be giving you 5 simple steps to open your Roth and get your money growing so you can have a better future for yourself. The first step is to find a provider. Some things to look for in a provider that offers Roth IRAs is it a reputable company? Is it a company that you heard about? Is it a company that people are talking about? Is it a company that you referred to? A good way to find a provider is ask your parents what companies are they investing with, and is it a good company? If you find that a lot of people are investing with, say, Fidelity or Charles Schwab, then those are most likely good companies to invest your money. One thing to look for when choosing a provider is they have low fees, diverse investment options, and reliable customer service. I also like companies that have good apps because I'm a big app guy. So I have all my apps on my phone, my bank apps, my investment app. The app has to be very fluid and simple and easy for me to understand. Some providers are JP Morgan, Fidelity, Robinhood, and those are just a few there, but there are many other providers out there. For me personally, I like Fidelity. I like their app. Their interface is pretty simple. Investing with them is pretty simple. And I found them from just looking, where should I open a Roth IRA? So once you find your provider, so let's say for example, we chose Fidelity. We're gonna go to their website and we're gonna create an account. So you're gonna put your normal information in, press Newport. You put in your last 4 digits of your social security number. You just go through the process of creating an account, whatever information they need, you put it in. Also be sure to fill out your beneficiary information. If you grow these accounts, you want to make sure this money goes somewhere good. You know, you wanna make sure this money can go to someone if anything were to happen to you. So you do wanna make sure you have beneficiaries, whether it's your mother, your father, your sister, your wife, your kids. Be sure to have a beneficiary, because if something did happen to you, I would think you would want this money to go to that person that you hold dear inside your heart. It's easy to fill out. Just fill out your information and you should have an account. And then we are going to go to my computer where I have my account open with all my numbers. They're not crazy. I just started in 2023. So I'm going to go to the computer now so I can show you what my Roth IRA looks like, how you can move on to step 3 by picking your investment. All right guys, so here we are on my Fidelity account. This is what your dashboard will look like when you create your account. As you open it, of course, yours will say 0. I want you to ignore this number and this number. Also ignore the 529 that we haven't started yet. And ignore the individual. This is a brokerage account. Here's my Roth IRA. Let's just click it. And here you can see your IRA contributions, which is now $7,000 if you're under 50 and $8,000 if you're over 50. So you see I'm under 50, so I can contribute up to $7,000. And so far this year in 2024, I contributed $1,545. And when I say contributed, that's not my investments. That's money coming out of my account. So contributed is the money that comes straight from your account. So say you contribute $300 a month. That's $300 coming from your checking account to your Roth IRA. You see my balance is at $3,101.12. And this shows the gain. I've gained $37, and you can see the past year I've gained 23%, which is a good number. It's a great number when the average gain of, say, the S&P 500, its average gain is about 7 to 8%. So it was a really good year. Last year, this year so far, it's not so great. Year to date is at 6%. And you see here that most of my portfolio for my Roth is in stocks. But now that we have gotten acclimated with the Roth IRA page on Fidelity, I'm going to tell you step 3, which is how to actually invest your money. So what you're going to do is go to transfer. Once you're in transfer, you're going to add your bank account information. So I move Capital One money from my bank to my Roth IRA. Transfer to Roth IRA. It's very simple, very easy. It's not difficult to do, but there is one caveat here. And people assume that just because you transfer money from your bank account to your Roth IRA, that's investing. It's not. So your Roth IRA is like a bank account in itself, where it just holds money until you put that money to work. That money will just be held there. It's just sitting there. So you have to actually invest that money. So what we're going to do here is we're going to invest. For an example, I'm on a recurring monthly transfer, which I will show you guys how to make monthly monthly transfers to your account automatically. I would transfer $3. Okay, you can transfer as much as you want. One time, continue, submit. But now $3 is getting transferred from my account to my Fidelity account. And you can put as much money as you want, up to $7,000. All right, we're back at the portfolio. So we're going to click trade. Now this is when you pick your investment types. There are many investment types, and I'm not here to tell you which one you should pick, what you should do, how you should invest your money. Me personally, I invest into the S&P 500, which is a collection of the top 500 companies in the US, and it grows at the average of about 7 to 8%. So what you do here is click mutual funds. So I invest in index funds, and one of the index funds I invest in is FXAIX. And like I said, I am not here to tell you where to invest. Maybe I'll do a video on good things to invest in with your Roth IRA money, but this is not that video. This is kind of a general how to invest your money. So I recommend FXAIX, which grows at about 10%. It's a good percentage. So you click that. You see I have cash available, $3, because I put $3 in there. And then I will click buy. You want to buy the Fidelity 500 index fund, and you're going to put $3, and you're going to preview order. This trade will be completed at the next available price. You just place your order, and you have placed your order, and you have that money now invested. Be sure to do this step right here. Don't just transfer the money from your bank account to the Fidelity account, because your money's not getting invested unless you actually invest it. Lastly, we want to set up contributions. So we want to set up how often we're going to contribute money to this account. So I'm going to show you how to do that on the computer as well. So we're going to go to transfer, and we're going to choose manage reoccurring accounts. It's small down there. I don't know why it's small, it should be bigger. And right here, you can see my reoccurring transfers. These two right here are my brokerage accounts. I invest in Tesla and Nvidia. Here's my Roth. So VLO, which is an ETF, and I invest into FXAIX, which is what we just put that $3 into. So for you to set up recurring transfer, you just create new activity, investments. You choose what you want to invest in. So let's go back to mutual funds. We're gonna go Roth IRA. We're gonna do FXAIX, which is the catch-all. You know, it grows at a great rate. It's a good fund to put your money in. You can't go wrong with FXAIX on Fidelity, on index fund, okay? And then you put how much you want to put in there a month. Say I do 200. And you're gonna select your frequency every 2 weeks. And you choose the day. Every 2 weeks on a Wednesday, we're gonna invest this. Or let's do once a month. Let's do monthly. Select your date. On the 19th, this money will be invested. Start date. And then you're going to use linked bank account, because you already have your bank account attached, right? So this money is going to be transferred from your bank account. That's what's going to be invested monthly. FXAIX monthly 19 on the 19th. Come straight from the account, and you preview, and then you just buy. You can preview it, confirm. I'm not going to confirm because I already have monthly contributions already set up, and that's how you do monthly contributions. But I also want to go show you guys FXAIX. You can see right here the annual returns last year, 1 year ago, 22%, which is crazy. The last 3 years, 8%. Last 5 years, 13%. And the last 10 years, 12%. So it's been growing at a really good rate. Like I said, in here, my year-to-date returns are 7. The average is about 7 or 8. That's what people use. But here it is, 10 years, 12. So it's pretty good. So in conclusion, opening a Roth IRA is a good thing. You should definitely do it. And I hope that this video helped you figure out how to do it. It's a good account to invest in. It is an extra account. You first want to invest into the match of your 401k for your employer. That's first, but if you are able to invest into Roth, you should. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope these 5 steps helped you understand more about how to open a Roth and what a Roth IRA is. So I will see you guys in the next video. I have really been enjoying these videos. I appreciate you guys watching them. I enjoy making these videos for you guys, and I hope that you find it informative. And if you did, please like and subscribe to my channel. So I will see you guys in the next one.